Okay, in this one, we're going to talk about how to print, how to export out to other software and other machines in a day-to-day operations scenario. Okay, so most of the time when you do this, you're going to be in the middle of a flow of verifying the orders. So typically the person that either prints or sends the data out to the machines is the person that is verifying the orders. And we've talked about that in other tutorials. Typically the order will come in and someone will look at it to verify it, give it a ship date, and then do what I'm about to do with either printing or exporting or a combination. So let's get in that mode like we are that person. I'm going to go to orders and then I'm going to just filter by ordered. Now I'll pull up my job. I'm going to go ahead and look it over, make sure everything's good. I'm going to pretend to do that. I'm going to look at the requested date of May 5th, give it an actual date of 3 years later. And now to the point of this video, after I've done all those things, I'm going to send to print. So if I want to print, it's as easy as that. Now be smart about the printers around your shop. You can set up network printers and you can print across long distances, or you can just be paperless. So I'm actually kind of showing you a bogus scenario. You wouldn't really ever print the actual order. Most of the time you're going to be printing like a cabinet list or some sort of output page. So in this case, let's just go to one, and if I want to, I can just print all. If you've got this set up to where you need all of these printed all at the same time, just go print all and it will go ahead and do all of that for you in one print document. Or of course you can just print this one by going print. There it is, ready to go. Or the other useful thing that you can do is send this data out in some sort of an export. And we didn't go over exports in this one. See the other videos for how to set up exports and how you would use those, but this is just to show you how to actually send it out. So it's really just as easy as clicking on it and it goes ahead and downloads the file for you. Now be smart too about where you have this set to download, because what you can do is set up a shared network folder on your network, and then in the browser, depending on what browser you're using, you can choose the folder that it downloads to. So if you have multiple downloads, you just go ahead and you just click them all. It's easy as that. Now all of these downloads, all of these files are sitting wherever you've designated them to go, ready for the next step.